Welcome back and thank you for staying with us. So the probe into the alleged theft of gold from the Sabrimala temple artifacts has taken a curious turn after the special investigation team arrested temple chief priest Kandararu Rajivaru. The SIT, which has registered 2 cases in the scandal, has so far arrested 9 persons, all of senior employees of the Travancore Devaswam Board or CPIM leaders who headed the board that runs the hill shrine. Rajivaru is the first from the Tantri clan at the temple to be arrested in the case. His arrest comes at a peak of the ongoing annual festival at the Sabrimala temple. This action was taken during an investigation into the disappearance of valuable gold ornaments from the temple campus. A few days ago, a case of gold theft inside the temple came to light, following which an investigation was initiated. The arrest was made on the basis of statements provided by the prime accused Unni Krishnan Potti and former Travancore Devaswam Board President Padma Kumar.
Kandararu Rajivaru, the chief priest of Sabrimala temple, has been arrested by the special investigation team. Now, the Sabrimala gold theft is something which the SIT has been investigating under the monitor, and it is being closely monitored by the Kerala High Court. Now, here, so far, arrests have been made of the former Travancore board presidents, including both secretaries and officials of the Devaswam board. But the arrest of the Tantri Kandararu Rajivaru comes as a huge shock to the devotees, because Tantri is someone who is considered by the devotees as someone that is very close to God. They see him as someone who is next to God when they visit the Sabrimala temple. And this Tharman family, it's from this family that there has been Tantris in Sabrimala temple, and the arrest of Tantri comes as a huge shock for the devotees, where the SIT is telling that he is also responsible for bringing in this Unni Krishnan Potti into the temple. Now, what we understand through sources as to what worked against the Tantri is that for any kind of rituals or even taking out these Dwarapalaga idols or anything out of the temple, the permission of the Tantri is needed, and that is something which they are stating is what we are understanding. Now, the investigation has reached a crucial stage, and politically also this will be used by the CPIM. They will be taking this as a defensive, because till now in the Sabrimala gold theft, it is a CPM that has been put in the defensive, but now the arrest of the Tantri gives some kind of a breather for the CPIM and the LDF.
അന്വേഷണം നടക്കട്ടെ. നമ്മളതിനകത്ത് എല്ലാ ഘട്ടങ്ങളിലും പ്രതികരിക്കുന്നത് ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, ഞങ്ങളുടെ ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട കോടതിയുടെ മേൽനോട്ടം നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യമാണ്. അതിനിടയ്ക്ക് ഓരോ ദിവസം നടക്കുമ്പോൾ എല്ലാം പ്രതികരിക്കുന്നത് ശരിയല്ല. അപ്പോൾ അന്വേഷണം ശരിയായ ദിശയിൽ നമ്മൾ കോടതി സംതൃപ്തി രേഖപ്പെടുത്തിയല്ലോ, അതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതിന് വ്യത്യസ്തമായ എന്തെങ്കിലും വന്നെങ്കിൽ അപ്പോൾ പറയാം.